What today is?
September 24th.
Today's September the 24th, and today I decided I'm gonna make my guacamole. The ingredients you would need to make my guacamole is garlic powder. This is not a necessity, but you need it for flavoring. Cilantro. This for color. Salt. You can use regular salt. Today I'm using Himalayan salt, Himalayan pink salt. And we have pepper. And of course you would need the avocados. That's the main part of the dish. And have an onion. Usually I would make it with a tomato, but traditionally, did you know that when you make guacamole, it doesn't call for a tomato? Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is chop up my onions. Don't judge my knife skills. I'm not that good. I forgot how to chop. Okay, you wanna peel this outer layer off. This is the layer that's hard to cut. This is gonna be my bowl for my aftermath. Okay, you got the outer layer peeled. Like I said, don't judge my knife skills. I forgot how to chop up an onion. When you get too close to the side, flip it downward. Then you chop the other direction. I got these avocados when we was in Tupelo at Aldi. You might have seen them in my last vlog talking about the avocados. Yep, I got them to make my guacamole. I've been craving guacamole for a while now, and the avocados down here are way too much. They're like $1.69 for one avocado. I got them, how much? 59 cents at Aldi. Crazy how price changes. Now that I have my onions chopped up, I'm gonna put them into my handy dandy bowl right here. Use the back of the knife. Always use the back of the knife. If you use the other side of the knife, you dull the knife. Have to teach my mother that. Sorry about that. You see my eyes a little bit red because of them onions. First time I had onions, made my eyes turn red like that. Let's move on to the next step. Next step is we're gonna do our avocados. Come down the center, all the way around. I don't know what that was, but okay. Like that. Open them up. With it right. Okay. Some people get the pit out like this, but I feel like that's dangerous, so we're not gonna do it that way. Now I've got a spoon, a handy dandy spoon. We're gonna put them into the bowl. I bought 5 avocados. I thought I got 6, but it turned out to be 5. We're gonna repeat the process for the rest of the avocados. You probably heard that ringing at the doorbell. You probably didn't, but that was my brother. He came home finally from school. I have my mother here on the side. She's about to finish cooking the rest of the dinner. She will tell you what we're having. I guess she'll tell you. Mom, what are we having for dinner?
Well, cabbages and baked ham, cornbread.
Here that's what we're having for dinner.
Let's add something differently to it.
We went to Ollie's when we was in Tupelo, and I had like several videos that I wanted to put in my vlog, but the new iOS 14 update messed up my phone in a way that my videos got deleted. But they had some nice cookbooks in there for a cheap price. We want to do some recipes out of that cookbook and some of my own. Ooh. So Chima, how was your day at school?
Good.
Good.
Trayvon go hybrid. He didn't do virtual. He go 2 days a week, Thursdays and Fridays.
But he still has virtual homework assignments? Is that accurate?
On Mondays and Tuesdays, he do virtual.
My sister, she has a channel now too. Her name is Breeze Reality. She's starting to do more videos and getting the hang of how to edit, add end screens and all that type of stuff. If you hear that game noise in the background, it sounds like a ball. That's my brother Josh. He has a YouTube channel too as well. He does gaming videos and all that type of stuff. You probably seen one of my earlier vlogs. Ooh. Got all my avocados in here. The next step is to add our seasoning. First, we're going to start with our garlic powder. I like to season to taste. That should be enough for now. Next thing you have is our parsley. I prefer fresh parsley because it has a stronger flavor. That's enough of that. Next is our Himalayan pink salt. Don't add too much salt. Season to taste. Last but not least, the pepper. I don't put that much pepper. Okay, now we're going to mash this together with our handy dandy fork. The smell of avocados and onions smells so good. The smell of guacamole alone smells so good. I wish you guys can smell this right now. It smells really good. You want to mash, mash, mash until you get like a paste but chunky texture. Mash. This is what we got so far. I'm gonna keep mashing it in some more. Okay, so after you mash it, you taste it. I already tasted it. They need a little bit more cilantro. Just a little bit more. Remember to season to taste. That ought to be it. Now we're gonna plate it. This goes best with tortilla chips, or you can make tacos. There you have it. Easy guacamole with tortilla chips. Looks so good. Wish I can tell you how it smells right now. It smells very good. Let me give it a taste. Mmm. I like this a lot. This is one of my favorite dishes I make all the time. I get a lot of compliments from it, from my family and family members. Okay, so we have some taste testers here. I have my sister Brianna here. She's gonna taste my world famous guacamole.
Okay, let me see how this tastes.
How's it taste, Brianna? Is it good?
It tastes very, very good. I like how you added, I like all the onion flavors and stuff, because in my food I like to have the onion, you know, the onion flavor and the taste and stuff like that. You know, that makes it really sets off a dish like that.
See, this is another one of my satisfied customers / family members. We're gonna have another person taste it. Next I have my brother Josh. He's gonna try it. Oh. The struggle.
We got some on there. That's good.
Okay, we have another one of our satisfied. That's it for today's video. Today I made guacamole. And if you want to see any more videos or new recipes, link them down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to check them out and do some of them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll post more videos like this and vlog videos.